In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off automated sales tax in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're managing a small business or overseeing the finances for a larger operation, understanding how to adjust these settings can be incredibly helpful. So, let's get started. First things first, open up your QuickBooks Online and navigate to the Taxes menu, which you'll find conveniently located on the left sidebar of your screen. The Taxes menu is your gateway to managing all things tax-related within QuickBooks, serving as a central hub to coordinate and configure your tax settings. Once you're in the Taxes menu, you'll need to select Sales Tax. This option is crucial because it specifically governs how sales tax is managed for your transactions. You'll want to head over to this section to ensure you're looking at the right details pertinent to your sales tax collection and reporting. After you've clicked into the sales tax area, the next step is to locate and click on Sales Tax Settings. This is where you can adjust various settings related to sales tax within QuickBooks Online. By accessing the sales tax settings, you're opening up the possibility to customize how your sales tax is calculated, reported, or in this case, how to turn off automation. Now, let's talk a bit about why you might want to turn off automated sales tax. Automated settings can be a real boon for many businesses because they make sure that taxes are calculated consistently based on the latest rates. However, automated calculations might not be suited for every kind of business. Perhaps you're dealing with multiple sales tax jurisdictions, or maybe you have specific exemptions that apply to your business that aren't covered by automated rules. In such cases, manual control over your sales tax can provide the exact precision you need. Remember that adjusting tax settings, especially turning off automation, should be done with a clear understanding of any implications for your financial reporting and compliance. Always make sure any changes align with your local tax regulations and consult a financial advisor if needed. Though this process may seem straightforward, it's crucial to double-check your changes once completed to ensure everything is correctly configured. You wouldn't want to discover during tax time that your settings were not aligned with your requirements. By following these steps, you'll have successfully turned off automated sales tax in QuickBooks Online, putting you in full control of your tax strategy and ensuring it best fits your business needs. Whether it's to gain more control over your calculations or align with specific business requirements, changing these settings can be a significant step toward a more tailored financial management experience. Thanks for following along today, and I hope this guide was helpful for you. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out, and as always, keep exploring more ways to make QuickBooks work for you. Have a great day.